Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an issue where if you're seeing the number of gigabytes usable on your system properties window. So if I go underneath the start menu and I go underneath system, we can see I currently have 1 gigabyte of RAM installed, which is correct. But if this number is not correct for you and you might be registering less RAM than you really have installed physically on your computer, this tutorial will be for you. All you have to do to fix this is to go to the start menu and left click to open it up, and then you want to type in msconfig. One best match that comes up should say system configuration directly above desktop app. You want to left click on it once to open it up. Now you want to go underneath the boot tab right here. Most people will only have one boot entry in here, so you want to select whichever one is your main one, and if you have more than one, you probably will know which one you're booting off of for this tutorial. So I don't really have to explain it to those individuals, but we're going to select advanced options right here. You see maximum memory is currently checkmarked in here. I'm going to uncheck it, and then I'm going to click on OK to save our changes. I'm going to click on apply and OK. You're going to have to restart your computer to save the change, so I'd recommend you restart your computer right now, and then hopefully when you restart your computer you will no longer have this issue. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.